Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm kicking off the new year with the Chief of Protocol from the Maker's Cult. They were black and white zenithal primed, and I get started with light brown for all of the clothing. This mini is part of the Dark Techno range, and you would think with Dark Techno they'd have a more darker chaos vibe, but I would feel like something a bit brighter, and I haven't done yellow for a while. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For the straps and one of the arms, I went for Dwarven skin. I'm not entirely sure if the arm is actually flesh, but it makes it stand out a bit more compared to the other one. To highlight up the jacket, I stippled on golden brown in some of the large open areas. Next up, I highlight the straps and the arm with Elven skin from Two Thin Coats. Finishing up the jacket, I stippled on some Volcanic yellow just to bring up some texture on the edges. There are a couple of skulls on the mini. They get a base coat with Skeleton Legion. For all the metal parts except for the helmet, I give them a once over with plate armour. To add some details and break up the silver, I grabbed Dragon's Gold and added some bits in. They are standing on a tactical rock, so I grabbed Dungeon Stone and painted that in. I also paint the entire base, but changed my mind later on and go over that with light brown off camera. Highlighting up these skulls, I went for a Vampire Fang over the raised and large flat areas. To add a little more colour, I added a few details using marine blue. This essentially is going to function as the tertiary colour for the colour scheme. I wanted a few more blue parts to pop that bit more, so I added a highlight using magic blue. Moving on to the washes, I start with the metal parts using dark tone wash. I forget to do the tactical rock, but this will need doing as well. Finishing up, I wash everything else and the gold with the light tone wash. And that will be it for the Chief of Protocol. I added some texture paste to the base just so it looks a bit better than standing on a flat base. I like the scheme, but I'm not entirely sure if it will work on vehicles yet, so I'm going to need to print some of them off and see how it goes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.